Go.
Hi, Liz from Stockport Sling Library here. I'd like to introduce you to Bonnie, our new demo doll. She's going to help me show you how to use a podagei in a slightly different way. So for those who don't know, it's an Asian carrier, a little bit like a woven wrap, but it kind of has stuff shut, so a big cut out of it. So this one, because we had a client come who had a very padded rail, it didn't really work to go over the shoulders like you would in some carriers, so we're going to do a slightly different one. So, easiest way with a little one is to place them on it, and then we shall pick up the podagei and shall not go trap stuff. So what we're going to do, instead of going over our shoulder with that, we are going to go under the arm, pin it there to make sure you can grab it, and then this one has quite nice wrap straps. Not fully wrapped, but kind of third wrap, so you can pull it out a bit to go over your shoulder. So it's going to go under that arm and up over the opposite shoulder, like that. Then we're going to repeat that process with the other side. So across, just going to pull it across as you're doing that, and then up and over the shoulder. Obviously at this point you're still holding it snugly onto your baby, little Bonnie, we don't want it to fall. So what we're going to do here is we're going to pin them to make the little seat under here. So we're going to go into this knee pit. Now Bonnie, although wonderful, doesn't have the best knee pits in the world, but your baby does. And actually, so I don't get hard plastic arms trapped, just put hands up by the face just before we do this bit. About to get interrupted by children.
These two little babies.
And then, hi Chloe, hi Eliza, can you go back outside a minute for me? We're just doing a video.
No, we've been into the kitchen and we wash our hands.
Right, you wash your hands then in the sink.
No, we only do it.
Right, this is us keeping it real. Can we please remove the small children from the video zone? Come on, go. Oh, timeless. Right, so you're going to put this into the knee pit on this side, into the knee pit on this bit, and then we're going to cross over underneath the bum and just make sure this hood doesn't get trapped on this one. And then, depending on how little your little one is, you can also do an extra twist under here. I think Bonnie's probably okay. So we've gone over the knee and then under the other knee, so it's kind of formed a cross under the bum. And then you get your straps, and at this point you should be feeling secure enough that you don't need to hold on to your baby anymore. And you're going to pull it behind your back and tie in a double knot here. Now, at this point, just check baby is happy, safe, secure. If you support the head, lean forward, shouldn't feel it moving away. One of the nice things about the podagei is you've got this bit here you can basically pull down and it will tighten it all up a bit snugger for you. And that's pretty much it. I'm going because I can hear the doors again. Bye.